Have you ever had a brilliant idea, but once you actually created it, well, it kind of flopped? Hey guys, it's Dale from Elephant Memories. Well, today I thought I'd share with you one of my epic fails that I turned into something amazing with these little Orca laser cutouts. My original idea was to create my design by painting with resin and leaving what would be the white area clear, so any design I want to put beneath the resin would show through. What actually happened was messy, unclear edges. So back to the drawing board with that concept. But what could I do with these in the meantime? Make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more exciting tutorials, tips, and hacks that will empower you to explore your artistic abilities and bring your imagination to life. I had thought that starting with clear, letting it dry, then adding the black might give me the clean lines I was hoping for, but obviously that didn't happen. I also want to say shame on me for not wearing proper PPE gloves. All right, time to start thinking outside the box. The simple solution is to paint over this with acrylic paint to start. Instead of throwing it away, I painted over the resin with acrylic paint. Regular paint gives you a lot more control with the details, but it does leave some brush marks. Don't worry about those. They will completely disappear when the clear epoxy is added. For background, I just decided to do an ocean pour on some natural edged wood. Nothing fancy here, just 3 shades of blue with some light mixing. Here, I added a little white for contrast and surface action. Let's blow that all out with my heat gun. This will activate the cells in the white paste. Then I did the same with the second layer. Now to finish up with a clear top coat of epoxy. I decided to try adding the orcas in the clear epoxy coat to embed them instead of using adhesive. Pros on this was they were easy to reposition without making a mess, and it didn't affect the clear coat. The con was the wood wasn't exactly level, so the orcas did slip slightly out of place once they set. And there you have it, a stunning orca art piece born from a simple mistake. By using epoxy resin, we transformed imperfections into a unique work of art. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting crafting ideas. We'll see you next time.